Ursula Bell, von Wormhouse, and her mother, Walena Wormhouse Kirschenthal. Playing. Ursula! Oh, that was fun. Ursula is the last puppy in my ewe litter, and she is looking for a home. Today, she is 7.5 weeks. Well, she'll be 8 weeks old on Tuesday. Whoops! Little rough, Mom. Ursula? Lena? Hey, girls. Ursula. There she is. Oh, lost her. She's quick. Ursula, come on, baby. Let's go. Ursula? Oh, gee. Puppy's attentions is got the dirt. Ursula! Ursula! There she is! Oh, she saw me now. We have a leaf. What have you got? Ah, we're gonna kill that leaf. Good girl. Good girl. She's got the leaf. She got the leaf. Come on, Ursula. Let's go over here. That's it. We gotta bring you some toys out here. Ursula, the leaf getter. I saw